Hello guys, it's Michael Rostam here. Today we have a brand new project from one of the 10 FLPs included in my upcoming sample packs, Progresso, and you will find more information of it in my Discord server. Alright, let's get into it. Let's take a look at the lead first. And then the chord session. Then we have the bass. Let's talk about some effects. We have the drone, atmosphere pad, and then the drums, some kicks, some claps, and rise, crash, another clap, some ear candies. And then at the second part of the drop, we have some ups. And one more layer of chord. And then some hi-hat loops. That's basically everything from the FLP. And I'm giving this away for free. And you will find 9 more FLPs like this in my sample packs, and they're all progressive house style, like Vision, Case, Lucas and Steve, Matisse and Sadko, Nicky Ramiro, Roby Mendes, Timo Hendrix, White Vibes, and Royals. Don't sleep on this one if you make progressive folk music. I make all those samples and presets just for this genre, and I hope it will help you a lot. And don't hesitate to join my Discord server. I'm friendly, you can talk to me anytime you want, and I will let you know the release date there. So yeah, have a good day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.